Good morning, guys. So we just checked out of our beautiful hotel in Key West and we have to head back to Miami, Fort Lauderdale today. We have another nice hotel booked there, so that's gonna be cool to show you guys. But we're gonna do a little bit of adventuring on the way there. So we're gonna go drive around Key West a little bit and then hit a few spots in the other keys on the way back.
Without even getting out of your car, Key West is stunning. It only takes about 30 minutes to do a full loop around the island, but we intended on finding some cool spots to stop at along the way. We found a parking spot and stumbled upon Higgs Beach, which is one of the island's biggest beaches along with Smathers. The beaches in Key West are pretty small compared to the beaches you're probably used to, but they are still extremely gorgeous.
We're soaring, flying.
That is in fact what he did. The water looked so beautiful, I was upset we didn't change into our bathing suits before heading out here. But the pier gave us a perfect view of the ocean, so I'm really glad we came across it. I can only imagine what the sunrise would look like from here. Maybe one day we'll be early risers.
Chicken wing, hot dog, chicken and macaroni.
Kicking it with my homie.
Hi guys.
Hello.
So guys, if you come here on a day that's not Friday or Saturday or Sunday, or like if you come on like a Monday like we're doing right now, you can get some free parking in this small lot. That would be very filled if it was not Monday. We continued on wandering down the beach until we stumbled across the Key West Garden Club. There's no admission fee, but donations are accepted if you would like. You get a map upon entry detailing everything in the garden and the immense history behind it. This place hosts events and weddings and is a fantastic place for a photo shoot in my opinion. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a jungle.
Your eyes are a jungle because I keep getting lost in them.
Oh!
Not my best.
I'm flattered. Key West was home to 3 forts during the Civil War, and a lot of remnants are still there today. The West Martello Tower's remnants were claimed to be an eyesore by the community, and they wanted it to be leveled out, but the Garden Club became interested in the property and turned it into what it is today. An absolutely magical find here in Key West. Alright you guys, now that we've sweat off everything ever and forever, we're gonna get back in the car and we're gonna start our drive back to Miami. So per usual in Florida, it's pouring, so we're probably not gonna be able to stop at too many other places on the way back, but what I thought was really funny is that there's signs to watch for deer crossing. I just wanna know, why don't you comment down below telling me how you think the deer got all the way out here on these far islands? I think it's pretty interesting though.
It's like they have 2 cut off parts. Like there's one here and then there was one back there, and it's just like you can't access the middle of that bridge anymore, and I think that's super fascinating because I love abandoned things.
After another wonderful 4-hour drive through rain and sun, we arrived at our final hotel of the trip, Sonders, the Circ in Hollywood, Florida. It was definitely cool pulling up to it as it was clearly the tallest hotel in the area and decorated so beautifully. We wandered around a bit in the ambient lighting before finding the elevator. Y'all, I was not ready for how awesome this hotel is. Wasn't ready. Are you guys ready? Because I'm barely still ready. Okay, check it out. So what really made this hotel so exciting to me was that we got this beautiful room for only $70 a night. We were an $8 Uber away from the airport and it had everything we needed. Even a Keurig so we wouldn't be zombies for our 7 a.m. flights. I also love bathrooms with this type of lighting. It's so much nicer to get ready in the morning when you can actually see yourself. They offer valet parking, but have street parking right outside on the road too. We were also allowed to do contactless check-in due to Corona. Hotel staff is still always available and we experienced great customer service when asking for some extra coffee and about the hotel's restaurants.
Like, it's so beautiful, and we're on the 9th floor, which is awesome because we have a great view. But if we go up to the 12th floor, there is a bar and a pool, and I'm sure a really nice view of the city. So let's go there. Help.
Is it? Oh.
Let's just be secure. Okay, making sure it's closed. Now. Okay. We're super safe. Super safe. It's like a fun house. Top floor. Going down.
Oh,
I'm nervous.
oh, we gotta walk through these doors.
Dude, do you have anxiety right now?
A little bit.
Me too.
I'm still gonna go through with the camera first though. Okay, let's see.
Our table is wobbly, but we're on the rooftop, so it's fine. Okay, our drinks are coming back. I can drink 10 of those.
What did you get?
Paloma, it's just tequila with grapefruit soda. That's literally it.
Got a classic mojito. Really good.
Refreshing.
Beautiful view of the city also.
1 hour later.
Let me play you the music of my people.
We're gonna get kicked out.
Paid for it.
Took off my shoes. I hope that's okay.
Oh my god, you took off your shoes? How are we gonna end the vlog now? Put your shoes back on.
No.
All right, guys, I'm sorry. It's gonna be a terrible outro because somebody doesn't want to wear her shoes. All right, guys, I hope you had a really awesome day with us traveling around Key West and chilling at this awesome hotel that we booked. Those drinks, by the way, how much were they? Drinks are about 14 each, so keep that in mind. But they're really good. You only need 2 and you'll be fine.
Sneak up on you.
They do sneak up on you. Fortunately, this is our last night of the trip, and my best friend's going to part ways with me, and I'm going back to Colorado, but there's going to be a lot more super exciting vlogs, so please stay tuned, and I will catch y'all on the next one.
We have so much sour cream.
We have so much sour cream. You